So as you're seeing, the oil sump is out. We are checking all the crankshaft, the pistons, the main bearings, the oil pump. This is a very important part of the car. As you all saw in the Indian Hot Cross, what I did with the Hillman. With the Ambassador, or for any car that I've restored in the last 14 years, my guys have done more than 100 cars. All the restoration cars, what you all see, they all have been done with proper engine overall work, bearings, oil pump, gearbox, bearings, drive lines, everything. It's just that we were so busy back in the days that we would never shoot these documentaries, which we today think is very important. So as a good team with good engineers, Niket, me are doing this concept of seeing to it that we are going to bring up at least 20 nice episodes of the Ambassador, because it's a really loved car. And all thanks to Niket, we got one Ambassador. It's been a long time since I restored one. So here I'm going to give you an in-depth knowledge of restoration, engine, engineering, whatever you want to call it, with this other part with the Ambassador. As you're seeing over here, the oil is really very finished, completely gone. We're going to open, we just started off with the first crank bearings, and mostly we will give the car for a complete engine overall, where the head will be given to the lathe guy. The proper finishing of all the valves have to be done now, the seals, the kit and everything. And the engine will be also given to the lathe guy, where the crank, the bore, the piston rings, pistons, oil rings, everything will be detailedly inspected, and from there we'll go. As you all see, this is a piston of an Ambassador. Let our audience get to know that how parts look. A vintage car which is looking good and shining good, and all this is not shown. This is when I don't believe in cars. This is where I'm not interested. I don't want to look at pretty looking cars. What I want is these things to be shown by manufacturers, engineers, to make people aware of what's going in the car. So here it is, mate. This is the rings, oil rings. You see a lot of carbon is there. It's not bad. I've not got any scoring marks or anything as such. So the piston is so far looking good, but we will wash it, we'll clean it and see to it whatever is required will be done, because again, I don't want to waste the original piston of this car. If it is in a good condition, my job is to respect it rather than throw it. So these are the moments where a lot of cleaning processes will be done to see, and I'll be glad if the original piston is used and everything else I can replace it with the rings. So piston number 1 is out, for 3 more to go, and we'll keep you posted. Bye.